We had to go through a security check before entering the mall, but in no time whatsoever we were inside.
Okay, dear friends, new theme park.
As we're in Istanbul, which is the cat capital of the world, we're going to play a bonus game in this video. See how many cats you spot, and we're going to tell you at the end of the video how many cats there are.
That is a fun game. I like cats. Can I play?
Yes.
The view of the park as you walk through the mall is absolutely stunning.
I absolutely love seeing car parks like this outside of theme parks.
It looks like we are going to be completely on our own today.
This is Turkey's first ever theme park. Welcome to ViaLand!
Let's go.
Let's just double check that quickly.
Is it ViaLand or ViaLand?
ViaLand.
ViaLand, okay, good. That's good to know. Take two. Welcome to ViaLand!
The atmosphere is absolutely incredible. It's one of those places where you just want to run to the biggest ride.
Where to start?
There.
And that's exactly what we did.
What's the name of it? Nefes.
Yeah, that sounds about right. We cannot get over how beautiful this ride is, especially in that backdrop. No turning back now. Let's ride. The full POVs of every ride you see today will be on our YouTube channel.
Wow, what a start to the day. That is definitely going straight into my top 10. I'm not sure where yet, but top 10 roller coaster for sure.
I really enjoyed it. So it seems like it's not going that fast, but then once you sit there, it's just, I loved it. It just like went straight into that, and oh my goodness, it was really nice. Roller coaster hair check. Since I got some wind in my hair.
As the park is not that busy, we're going to do something that we wouldn't normally do. We're just going to start with the rides at the front of the park and then make our way to the back of the park. There is literally only just a few school groups here, and that's about it. So next up, let's go for Aladdin the Ride.
This 4D magic carpet ride has scheduled viewing times. We're not going to show you much of the ride because it's pretty pointless without 3D glasses.
The 3D ride was right. It was nice to see Egyptian Arabic theme. I really like the Arabic themed ride.
Next up was this. I'm not even going to try and say it. It's a boat ride.
Hold on tight.
I think this is the only water ride that's in operation today, so woo. Let's get wet.
Yay, let's not. It's quite cold.
Take a sail through the displays of different countries. A little bit of this, a little bit of that, and yeah, you get the idea.
Oh, here is Mexico.
The park itself is incredibly well maintained. Everything manages to look brand new. It's very clean, there's no sign of trash, very colourful, and the theming just adds to the charm.
What do you want to do? Drop?
Yes.
Let's drop.
I said that with so much confidence, and yet everybody who knows me knows that I absolutely hate drop towers.
It will be good.
Oh, I hate these things.
I love it. We just saw one family that went together on this ride, and one girl is crying, and the dad is laughing at her. That's so cute.
I know how this girl feels. I hate these rides too. Here's a tip if you're ever in a theme park that has all the school groups in them. At 12 o'clock, most of the school groups will meet up for lunch, meaning all of the rides will be walk-on at that point. And most of the school groups start to leave around 3 p.m, which means if you hang around for the last couple of hours in the park, you're normally going to be able to get on everything.
Here's the queue of the drop tower versus at lunchtime when we were there. After lunch, the queues start to get bigger again, and that's your time to go get a coffee.
We're gonna go for a quick coffee. We got our coffee. Let's go back to the queue. One of our tricks for a long queue is to take a little drink with us and take some snacks. But here, the lady said we can't really even drink whilst waiting, so that's a bit mean. Okay, let's enjoy our queue.
Second coaster credit of the day now, and again another one that I'm not even going to attempt to announce. An Intamin Steel Family Coaster. It's Turkish for adventurer. Let's take place in the front row and let's go. For a family coaster, this one is not to be missed.
Okay, Okay, now down to the area that no one is in. Let's see what's that all about. Okay, there is one little kid here.
For those of you who don't know, I'm Troy.
And I'm Asha.
And we post weekly theme park and roller coaster videos. We are on a mission to ride a roller coaster and go to a theme park in every country in the world. Join us for the ride.
If you would like to help us with our goal, easy and free way for you to do it is to like and subscribe. We really appreciate it.
Troy, parkour.
You have to pay for parkour.
We are not fans of paying extra for things in amusement parks, so we went back to the main area to explore the other attractions.
Top spins are not exactly our ride of choice, so we're going to give this one a miss.
But kiddies' water rides are definitely on the agenda for today.
Don't skip this kids ride, it was actually a lot of fun.
I've never seen any ride like this before. It was so much fun.
Unfortunately, as it is still winter, the Viking is closed today, so we can't show you what it looks like.
It's not gonna go to.
It's my favorite type of ride, but of course we're here in winter, so it's also not going. When you come to these parks in winter, some of the water rides aren't open, but the ticket price remains the same. Do you think that's fair or not?
No.
I was asking the viewers, not you, but sure.
Well, you've heard Ash's opinion on the subject. Let us know what you think in the comments as we check out the 4D cinema Squirrel and the Bear.
The whole cinema to ourselves.
Private cinema. Thank you for taking me on this day.
Again, not going to show you much of it, just to give you a little bit of an idea of what it's like inside.
I appreciate that both of the 4D rides of the park are done without any language, meaning everybody can enjoy them.
Then we went on something that was definitely not for everybody. This is not for the faint-hearted.
Does this ride go upside down? Let's see.
Why yes, Asha. Yes, it does.
Thank God we didn't eat before going on that ride.
It goes just so slowly. I was flying in my seat.
And that brings us to lunchtime.
Roland, and this is Asherland. Typical theme parkland.
And after recharging, we headed for this park's premier gentle dark ride.
It's some kind of castle-themed dark ride.
We are hoping for something gentle after lunch.
A child started talking to us at lunch and told us this is the ride you do not want to miss. It's called The Secret of Istanbul. However, it's obviously all in Turkish and me and Asha did not understand any part of the story. But still very gentle and relaxing after lunch, and we are always very excited to see kids excited about amusement parks and rides.
It's now about 3 o'clock and this park gets empty, like so empty. All the school groups are going away now. They're all walking towards the exit, and the rest of the day it's just me and Troy.
So we headed for this, which for some reason had a massive queue the entire day. Tip for all enthusiasts: if you don't know the best place to seat, just ask the member of staff. They know where the best place to sit on a roller coaster or anything is. We asked the guy and he said to sit here because that's where you see King Kong's face. Although, other than that, it kind of sucked. Unless you're a family with little kids, yeah, sure, make the most of it.
I'm really glad we didn't have to queue for that ride. Otherwise I'd be very disappointed.
Okay, but we know there's lots of kids and families that watch our YouTube channel, so let's go and explore the kids area. Glasses back in place, and let's go.
We can't go on anything unless you have any kids that we can borrow.
Let's talk about family areas in theme parks. In this particular area, adults are only allowed to ride if there is a child present. Some adults potentially miss out on their favourite rides, but it does mean that families with small kids have shorter waiting times. Where do you stand in this debate? Let us know in the comments. Our opinion: if there's a queue, adults get out of the way. If there isn't, then let us ride. Unless it's aimed just for the little ones, then adults get out of the way.
We've done all the rides in this park, so now let's come back to Nefeskesen and try to get a back row ride. Is that what I'm supposed to say? Back row ride?
As I said, at 3 o'clock, all of the school groups cleared out, which means every ride in the park is a walk-on. The front row POVs that we record are just for you guys. If you get the chance to go on this ride, the back row is 100% better.
Always back row. We always come back to do a back row in any roller coaster.
And that brings us to the end of our full day in ViaLand.
Let's do maybe our sign up right here.
There's just one more thing to do before we say goodbye. How many cats did you see in this video?
I saw a lot.
There's a lot. And we're going to show you all of them on screen now.
Cat number 1 was here. Me and Asha loved cats, so this game was really easy to play. This is cats number 2 and 3, which slowly became our best friends.
You know that all over the world you have lots of like cat cafes. In Istanbul, every cafe is cat cafe, and they don't have to even say a word.
Cat 4 was here. I think this one was the easiest one, cat number 5.
We've done all the rides.
Cat 6 was behind Asha here. Number 7 and 8 were here. Number 9 was at the back. And our favourite was number 10. And there you have it, 10 cats spotted in the video. Did you spot them all?
That was our full day in ViaLand, Turkey. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. We will see you in our next video.